Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. Today we are going to take a look at Euro, the British Pound and the NQ. So let's get to it. What you see before you, this is the Euro dollar chart. It is a 30-minute time frame. And today I would like to show you a resistance which is in here, and it is at 1.1737. As you can see, the market opened with a gap right here. This was the gap, and before the gap, let me use the volume profile here. Before the gap, there was a heavy volume zone, this one. And this is actually a setup that I really like to trade. You won't see this very often because forex doesn't open with gaps too often, but when it does, and when it forms a gap and behind it heavy volume zone, then it is a perfect chance for you to trade this setup. So this is what you want to see. You want to see the gap and then behind that the heavy volume zone. Then you want to wait for a pullback to the beginning of that heavy volume zone. I placed the level in here because this is also beginning of a fair value gap, and go short from there. Right? There should be a reaction from this place, from this heavy volume zone, and first thing, the gap needs to get filled. When it does, then the reaction is very likely to occur like this. All right, so that's why I'm waiting here with a limit order at 1737. When the price hits this level, I'm going to go short. By the way, you can also notice that this level is a point of control from the previous week. This profile, the gray profile on the left here, this is the weekly profile from the previous week. That means from this whole area, and this is the weekly point of control, right? Which is almost exactly at our level. So it adds strength to the level because the price went down from this place, and that means that this weekly point of control should work as a resistance. All right, so that's for that short. By the way, you can also see that I had a long level here on the euro, this level, and I was trading from this significant volume cluster which formed within this rejection. So this is where I went long, and honestly my take profit was just 1 pip above this reaction. So this is where my take profit was. When the price reacted to that level, I moved the stop, which originally was in here. I moved it a little bit higher to this place. This was the reaction point. So this is where I moved the stop, and when the price was 1 pip before my take profit, price was 1 pip above the take profit, there was unexpected news that the French Prime Minister resigned, and boom, all this happened in 1 minute. So yeah, complete reversal in 1 minute, and yeah, so this is how the trade ended. Tough luck, I would say. If he resigned to 1 minute later, I guess that this would be a profitable trade. Okay, so anyways, that's for the euro, and let's now go for the British pound. And on the British pound, we are also looking at a 30-minute chart here, and here's the same setup as on the euro, because we have a gap, opening gap, and behind the gap we have a significant volume zone, this one, right? So you do this the same way as I was showing you on the euro. You wait for the pullback, and when the price hits this level, which is at 34.75, this is where the gap gets filled, right? And also this is where the price hits this heavy volume zone, the beginning of that heavy volume zone. So when the price hits this level, there's a high probability that there'll be a reaction and the price will go down from there. So this is a significant resistance. I'm currently waiting with a pending order here. It is at 1.3475. So right now we just need to wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then go short from there. Now, I'm not saying that this needs to happen today, but you know, those gaps usually get filled rather quickly. So my guess is that this will happen today, maybe tomorrow, but you know, even if this takes a week, I don't really mind. I'll still wait here with a limit order. But, you know, my guess is that it will get filled rather sooner than later. All right, so that's the British pound. And let me now switch over to the NQ. And this is the NQ. And what I wanted to show you here is support at 24,680. And this is the support. And let me use volume profile here. And by the way, you are looking at a 30-minute chart. This is a 30-minute chart here. And this is a significant rejection of lower prices, right? Because there were some sellers trying to push the price downwards, but buyers stepped in, and they stepped in here, in this heavy volume zone. This is where buyers stepped in, they started to buy aggressively, and then reversed that sell-off into new uptrend. So this is very, very important place, this whole rejection. And the most important place in that rejection is this heavy volume zone, because this is where you can clearly see that buyers stepped in, right? And those buyers are likely to defend this place in the future as well. So if there's a pullback, chances are that there'll be a reaction, right? As the buyers from here will want to defend this place, which clearly is important for them. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, you guys head over to my website. It is at traderdale.com, and if you click trading course and tools in here, then it will take you to this page. And as you can see, currently I'm running a special Halloween sale discount here, and if you scroll down a bit, then you can get my best educational and indicator packs discounted. It is the volume profile pack, the order flow pack, VWAP pack, and smart money pack. You can get them separately in here for a discounted price, or if you guys scroll down a bit, then here is a very special Halloween sale deal, because you can get all those 4 packs together for only $6.97. All right, until the end of this month. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!